I'll have to work on that. We got the freaking room fixed up, boys. New filming spot. Back in action. We're back in the action. Look at this. This is pretty cool, eh? Should we do a little room spin around? Just do a quick little room spin. I gotta show this thing off, bro. A lot of you guys have seen it, but not in the light like this. Autos all around the wall, boys. Most of them probably fake. I'm a complete asshole when I buy things. I just don't research. Right there, Juice WRLD autographed, 100% authentic guarantee. We got 691 right there. A lot of people might not like that. My bad, boys. Boys, thank you for that. You know, the little cards down there, going through my cards and stuff. Supreme Room 2.0. More autographs. Craziness. Selena Gomez right here. Matches the inner lip tattoo of mine. We got the Holy Grails right here, boys. Bunch of PSAs. There's my little view right there, boys. Check that out. Brand's been working on his defacing of property skills. 3 videos in a row, boys. Y'all can call me Brand the Man from now on. Actually, don't do it. Appreciate you guys for joining back. First thing we need to say, give a thumbs up, comment down below, boys. That would rock. It just helps the channel. It helps it share. It helps it get recommended. Helps the views. It helps me entertain. So that's dope. I just spend all this money on crap for nothing. Like the whole world needs to see this. They don't, but they could, you know, with your help. Thumbs up, comments, appreciate it, boys. Got a crazy video today. One we've been working on for a little while. I gotta give credit where it's due, but like hardly credit because I forgot your name, buddy, but somebody hit me up in the DMs. You guys are real good at this. You guys always hit me up with like cool products we gotta take a look at. This one's a little different though. This one really hit my fancy. It tickled my wiener a little bit. I had a good feeling about it. Weird. For a long time though, you guys might not know, I've been looking for like DaBaby jewelry. Why? Because I think he's sick. Trick is, I've never seen anyone ever create a DaBaby chain. Like XXXTentacion. There's a lot of replica chains of his out there. You know, Trippy Red, 6ix9ine. There's tons of this. I've never seen any DaBaby ones, and for some reason it's been a weird goal of mine to find one to show y'all. So that's what we found. A website made a DaBaby chain. The first ever DaBaby merch I've ever seen, not put out by DaBaby, but like, it's still his merch. They're just kind of like doing it for him and making money off of him. And real quick, man, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, the one-stop shop to get some jewelry that's not honestly like the best quality ever, but it's real cheap. Everything's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping, and you could actually add 2-3 things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping on NameBranFam.com, boys. I handpick all this stuff out myself, and I got other people working for me that ships it. So, hey, man, try to pick you guys the best styles possible. NameBranFam.com. I'm sorry for doing that. That was weird. Never done that in my life. So let's get into it, man. Pretty short video, but like I said, I've just been looking forever for a replica DaBaby chain to add to the collection of videos we already have of like these rapper replica things. And also putting a rapper's name in the title generally gets you a little more views, which is great. You know, we don't lie on this channel, boys. Once again, shout out the person who actually finally found this, man. Now, I ain't gonna show the website. Jesus. Tape this. I'm gonna show what website it is. If you guys really want to know, leave a comment down below and I'll probably let you guys know what it is. First ever. This is crazy. This is a monumental for the channel. And it comes with, what the hell is this? 1,000 comments down below. We'll give everything away today. Check that out, boys. And here we go. This is cool, man. Look at the packaging, bro. You gotta cut the package to get it out. I don't want to be a whiny little bitch right now, but if I'm in my car, I got no scissors, I want to open it up stat. Oh, okay, it's good. Here we have it. This is crazy. I actually thought it'd be a little bit bigger, a little bit cooler for the video, but we got Baby right here, boys. His classic chain, as seen on the picture right here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Damn it! I was just checking my phone to see what picture I was about to put up there for you. This isn't a... Damn it! My bad, boys. I already have the thumbnail made. This isn't a DaBaby chain. I just checked to see what picture I was gonna show you guys. It's freaking Lil Baby's chain. DaBaby has a Kirk one, idiot. Oh! It just got it in my head when the kid's like, yo, DaBaby's new chain. I broke it. Okay, well, we're gonna get a folded in half review now. I think I just threw my diamond tester somewhere too. This sucks. I'm keeping DaBaby in the title. I like him more, even though Lil Baby would probably get more views. Shoot! Yeah. You idiot, Brandon. We're gonna diamond test the thing and see if it passed. I gotta get another one now. That might be the 5th diamond tester. Alright, let's try to save this video. My bad. You try to cut out those freak out scenes, but I'm just not gonna cut it out. Because now this video won't make sense of why this is bent. DaBaby chain is not DaBaby's chain. I'm keeping it in the title. I already did the thumbnail, and I don't have time to do another thumbnail. And I like DaBaby more. That sucks, man. I was so excited to give you some DaBaby merch. It's Lil Baby's chain. You'd think DaBaby would have this too. That could pass. He doesn't own it himself, but he's still a baby. He's the one that went for an interview on a diaper. You went in with a diaper on an interview. So this'll pass as DaBaby's. That's what it is. I can't believe I snapped this thing, bro. Bring it back to life real quick. Alrighty, here's a review of the batch, made for a f***ing sheep. Sick quality. We can't even diamond test it. That's the review. I'm gonna stand here for 8 minutes. The last 2 videos haven't been 8 minutes, and my money's been really going down. I need that for more videos, so we're just gonna stand here and freaking talk. That reaction came off a little crazy, my bad. I'm just kind of thinking about, I'm just looking at the damage actually of what I just destroyed, and that wasn't chill. My bad, boys. What are you guys up to today? Just watched a sick documentary last night. I didn't. I'm trying to think of something to talk about. Trailer Park Boys, Canadian show. It's real great. Cheers y'all for watching. We're not giving that away anymore, unless you want to batch in. God, I'm sorry. Alright, bye. New video tomorrow. That was the only package I had in today. We get another package tomorrow. Maybe the next day, the next video. I'm sorry.